Yes, I think it's time to make some peanut butter fudge. Let's make some keto peanut butter fudge. Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. You know it wouldn't be my home without Brinkley in the background making some racket. Let's make some keto fudge. What do you say? 1 stick of butter, which I've got melting back here behind me. Half a cup of brown sweetener and a cup of organic peanut butter. So, oh, I've also got some vanilla too. You know that vanilla that I got when we were on vacation that I was spilling everywhere, so I put it in a different bottle. Yeah. And it's going to be keto, so what better way to do it? I've got me a little loaf pan ready. It's got it wrapped in some wax paper because once we get this done, we're going to pour it into that pan and put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes to help it set up. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the brown sugar in. We're going to get it a nice thick kind of caramelly consistency. And then I'll put the peanut butter in. And once I get all that mixed together, I'll add the little bit of vanilla that we're going to put in there. Then we put it in the pan, stick it in the freezer for 30 minutes. Now, we're going to wait for that to set up. After it does, I'll get it out, slice it up. I think we're probably going to have a little slice of it after Tom gets home from work. A little dessert this evening. Yeah, I think so. Okay. You all take care. If this turns out to be really good, which I've already tasted it, so I'm going to tell you it's going to be really good. But I'll be back once it gets ready there. I'm going to get it out and then I'll slice it up. Hopefully it slices good. I'm hoping it will. We'll see. See y'all in a little while. Okay. I've had this in there for 30 minutes now. A little over 30 minutes. So, let's set that down there. I sprinkled it with a little bit of sea salt. Probably should have waited until after I got it out of there to do that. I don't think it's set up yet. No, it's still soft. I'm going to put it back in the refrigerator. I don't think I'm going to put it in the freezer this time. I think I'm going to put it in the fridge. Hang on just a second. Let me try a little something here. See if... Yeah, I better stick it back in, at least in the refrigerator. I think it's going to take much longer to set up than that. So, let's just set it in the fridge. Yes, don't laugh at my egg. You see what I did? I fixed me some more boiled eggs, and I thought, well, you know, that one won't fit in there, so I'll just write on here, eat this one first. That's just me. Okay, we'll check it in a few hours and see how it works. Okay, talk to y'all then. Okay, let's try this again. Let's take a look and see this time. Looks pretty good, huh? Heavy. Oh, cool. Think it. Oh, look at that. Look how nice that looks. Oh, it smells divine. Yes, it does. Looky there. How cute. Okay, so you all know. Let's see. I think it's going to be like a soft soft fudge for sure. But, oh my goodness, would you look at that? Sorry, I'm weebling around everywhere. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to give it a taste. But I have to get this turned around so you all can see me. Let's give it a try. That is so good. It's even creamy tasting. No cream in it. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. Yes, keto peanut butter fudge. Try it. If you like peanut butter, you're going to love this. Give it a try. I promise you'll love it. You all take care. Have a good evening. I'll see ya. Bye.